Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Whiteboard for online live classes using Google Meet. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type meet.google.com or open the Google Meet app on your device. Over here, make sure you're logged into your Google account. After that, join a meeting by either clicking on the scheduled meeting or entering the meeting code. Then, once you're inside the Google Meet, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the activities icon. It might look like three dots or shapes depending on your version. Now, from the options that appear, select Collaborative Whiteboard. After that, click on Start Whiteboard to begin a new session. Over here, you'll get a blank whiteboard where you can draw, write, or brainstorm. Then, if you want your students or participants to collaborate, just share the link with them or make sure they have permission to edit. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next